What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to go over BTC sitting at 28.5K, up 0.81 on the day, sitting at market cap about 552, baby. 24-hour volume 17.15 billion. So let's hop into the charts. So we completed our 5-wave move and we're starting to push up. Looking for a wave 2 pullback in between 28.8, 29.4K with a minimum target of the 38.2 fib level. The only way to invalidate that is to come all the way up and break the wave 1 high. If that does happen, then our wave B may not be finished yet, but this is what I'm looking for a rejection from the zone and then seeing continuation down in a wave 3 and eventually coming down to our target zone in between about 22 to 25K. Looking at the weekly chart, as you can see, the bullish cross is getting very, very close. When we have the weekly close, the EMA should be rather close to each other at about 25K, so do watch for that. Yeah, so our head and shoulders is getting closer to the neckline. If it breaks that neckline, then that's more confirmation you are coming down to these price targets. DXY broke out of our ascending triangle, double bottom, faked out to the upside, came back down. If we can hold those EMAs, I do think we're going to see continuation up for the DXY, which will lead Bitcoin coming down to that 25K price target. All right, gang, so look for Bitcoin to push up into this yellow box and look for rejection and continuation down in wave 3. If we come all the way up and break that wave 1 high, then simply that wave B isn't finished yet. But I don't think that's the more probable scenario, in my opinion. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to Bake It or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, I'll give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. We're currently in a Bitcoin trade. News. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them are crushing it. Auto alt plays, 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links in the comments. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.